Hello world! I'm Natalia, your tour guide in Belarus, and now we are in Minsk city center. Amazing day, very sunny but extremely cold, something like minus 15 degrees today, can you imagine? So we're a little bit freezing, but very happy to have this sunny, amazing winter day. And today I have a plan to take you to one of my favorite places in this city. I will take you to a legendary cafe and supermarket known as Centralny, and at the end of the video you will know what it is favorite for. I call this place back to Ussr. So let's come with me and check it out.
Centralny supermarket is a truly iconic store, not only because it is located on the Central Avenue. Its value lies in its historical past. The independent avenue and the store were created in the same period. They are wrapped together. At least 2 generations of Minskers have grown and consider this supermarket as a part of their life. It has been launched in 1954 as a grocery store, the store number 13 on Stalin Avenue, one of the former names of Independent Avenue. Centralny has been changing with the city, growing from a tiny Soviet shop to a big supermarket with cafe. And now it has remained almost the only one of those legendary places that have preserved the spirit of old Minsk from Soviet Union. The interior decoration of Centralny is unique. Soviet-era bas-reliefs, stucco moldings, chandeliers help us to dive into a Soviet past. And the lone bar counter is the favorite place to drink coffee or something else. You can find here the cheapest and tastiest desserts in the city. Bankers and engineers, students and professors, simple workers and dirty hobos, local celebrities, musicians and artists, everybody gets together in this place. It's a kind of a meeting point for different social groups and communities of Minsk. In the department of cooked food, you will always find something tasty. A wide choice of dishes prepared in Centralny will allow you to organize a delicious dinner quickly. Here you will find a large selection of cold appetizers, complicated salads, hot dishes, meatballs, baked fish, side dishes, and of course pastries and desserts. Plenty of food for any taste. If you come here in the evening after 7 p.m. you will get 20% discount for these meals.
I feel much better here, not outside actually, but here in this warm supermarket. I'm on the way to cafe to get some coffee and a piece of cake, dream. And you can buy that coffee and that cake only here in this supermarket, in this cafe. Кофе Ussr, естественно, и
вы на месте будете, наверное?
Да, и мечту.
Тортиком или рулетиком?
Давайте тортиком. Я тортиком бы с радостью попробовала сегодня. Вилочкой.
5 рублей 36.
Хорошо, карты. Скажите, а кому вы наливаете вино в бокалах?
Вам налью.
Хорошо, если я приду сюда, вы нальете, да?
Да, конечно.
Хорошо.
Я достану, есть у нас бокальчик.
Look what I have. Something very delicious. And now we're gonna try it. Well, finally I have my coffee, and I want to show you coffee Ussr, which you can find only in this place. This is not exactly coffee, this is coffee cocktail. This coffee cocktail consists of coffee, 10 grams of cognac, and whipped raw egg till foam. Now you can see it. It is very yummy. Let's try. Real coffee cocktail. What I do, I just try to mix coffee, cognac, and this foam. I even feel the cognac. But let's try cake. That very famous cake here called Dream. Thousands of calories. If you are in Minsk, you have to come here and eat it. And by the way, I paid for it 5 Belarusian rubles, less than $2.
In late 90s, the supermarket opened its own confectionery shop. Every day it produces up to 250 cakes of various sorts. The most famous is a cake Dream, in Russian MECHTA. Many Minskers know the Dream cake, and its recipe and name are even patented. For 26 years of history, this cake has become a business card of Minsk, just as Kiev cake in Kiev. Interesting that the recipe wasn't changed over this time. The price for a cake is 17 Belarusian rubles, equal $6.5. And it is always fresh and delicious. Come here and try it.
This is really a legendary place, and people come here not only to grab some food but also to communicate, to talk. And for many locals who live close by and for those who work in this area, it became already a tradition to come here in the morning, grab some aromatic coffee and some pastries. And people know this place as one of the best places with cheap food and drinks. And of course the atmosphere is very relaxed here. Everybody can come and sit and talk. Not only food is cheap here, but some drinks and alcohol drinks as well. People come here to drink some beer or even something stronger after their working day. I call this place not back to USSR, back to my childhood. Why? Because this is one of those places where I can come and get cakes and feel the taste of my childhood. This flavor evokes memories, lovely memories. Tell me please in comments, would you like to see some other places like this? Tell me, I need it. I need your feedbacks. Stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and put your thumbs up. See you soon. Enjoy your winter.
But attention, you may not like this place if you are very squeamish, picky, and love fancy places. This is a very real place for average people, reflecting our daily life in Minsk. If you are interested in local experience, welcome to Centralny cafeteria.